Welcome to Rome, Italy's enchanting eternal city, where every corner exudes the grandeur of ancient history and the magnificence of Renaissance art. As the cradle of one of the world's greatest civilizations, Rome invites you to embark on a journey through time, unraveling its rich heritage and immersing yourself in the wonders of its past. Begin your Roman adventure at the iconic Colosseum, a magnificent amphitheater that once hosted epic gladiator battles and chariot races. As you stand amid its imposing arches, you can almost hear the echoes of ancient cheers that still resonate through its walls. Step back in time at the Roman Forum, where the remnants of ancient temples, basilicas, and monuments stand as a testament to the city's glorious past. Wander through the Forum's ancient ruins, and you'll find yourself walking in the footsteps of emperors and statesmen. Marvel at the artistic masterpieces of the Vatican museums, home to an unparalleled collection of art amassed by generations of popes. The grand finale of this artistic journey awaits in the awe-inspiring Sistine Chapel, adorned with Michelangelo's masterpiece on its vaulted ceiling. No visit to Rome is complete without a stop at the Pantheon, a marvel of Roman engineering with its stunning dome and oculus, which allows a celestial light to illuminate the interior. Indulge in the richness of Italian cuisine as you savor authentic pasta dishes, wood-fired pizzas, and mouth-watering gelato in traditional trattorias and cozy ristorantes. Pair your meals with fine Italian wines that perfectly complement the flavors of this culinary paradise. Venture into the vibrant neighborhoods of Trastevere and Campo dei Fiori, where you can experience Rome's lively atmosphere. Meander through narrow alleys, discover quaint piazzas, and enjoy street performances that add a touch of charm to the city's bustling streets. Find serenity amidst the beauty of the Vatican City, the smallest independent state in the world. Enter St. Peter's Basilica, the heart of Christianity, and marvel at its opulent interior and magnificent dome designed by Michelangelo. As the sun sets, Rome transforms into a romantic haven. Experience the allure of the Spanish Steps at twilight. Toss a coin into the Trevi Fountain for a wish to come true, and savor an evening stroll along the Tiber River. Rome's essence lies not only in its iconic landmarks, but also in the warmth of its people and the embrace of its culture. Embrace the Italian way of life as you partake in la dolce vita, the sweet life of indulgence and appreciation for all that this timeless city has to offer.